Guess what? In today's episode of Will Motivation, we are finding a new home for my car. And I got the realtor to do it. That's right. This car needs a new home. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, Lamborghini's newest vehicle. And so what do you need when you get a new vehicle? Well, you need a new garage. And we've got the perfect home for it. We've got the perfect home. This car will sleep like a baby in this garage. Wait till you see it. And we've got the perfect realtor to tell us all about why this is a great area and his favorite things about the home and the area. This is my realtor, Rich Shiro with Realty Ohio. Maybe give them your phone number in case they want to reach out to you.
Sure. Hey, first of all, thanks for having me on the channel. My phone number is area code 614-554-7705. And I think Will's car needs a new garage. Now, obviously, we have this home for sale. This home was one of Will's projects. Fabulous home in a place called Evans Farm. So Evans Farm is this huge development that's taken place in Delaware County. Now, where we're standing right now, I'm going to have Will pan around and look up over these houses right back here. Right on the other side of those trees, just right on the other side of it, is Alum Creek State Park. Huge state park with lots of water sports. You've got trails, both walking, running, and also for bikes. You've got a marina to go boating. You've got, in the wintertime, there's great places to go snow sledding with the kids. It's just an awesome feature of this area. I personally live in this area, so I can personally attest to how much fun can be had at Alum Creek State Park. Now, Evans Farm, like I said, we're sitting right up against Alum Creek. Evans Farm is right, the actual core of Evans Farm is just over to the other side. That core has restaurants, has shops, has all kinds of services like getting your hair cut or a gym and those kinds of things. Right in the heart of Evans Farm, literally 2 minutes away. From there, you go south and you've got the mall at Polaris, huge mall, every imaginable restaurant and shopping experience that you can even remotely imagine. Grocery stores, you've got them going both ways. You've got a Kroger's, you've got a Giant Eagle, you've got BJ's Wholesale Club, you've got a Costco, you've got just any imaginable things, plus all kinds of small little places that are the places I really like.
How far are we from Polaris?
Polaris itself is about 5 minutes away.
Okay, so if you guys are not from the area, Polaris is a major shopping area with every kind of restaurant you can think of, a huge mall. They do car shows in the parking lot, but there's almost everything you can think of, all the way down to a Waffle House, all the way up to
Smith & Walensky.
Yep.
You've got Ruth Chris.
Molly Woo.
Molly Woo's is there.
All kind of stuff.
I mean, primo dining right at the mall. Then if you go the other way, you've got an outlet mall.
Tanger, yep.
Tanger Outlet Mall has every imaginable major brand is in Tanger Outlet Mall. They just opened a Mercedes dealership right beside the outlet mall. This area is growing so fast that we're adding one school per year.
Wow.
I mean, it's crazy how fast it's growing. I moved up here in 1996 with my wife, and we love it up here.
All right, so we got to get Rich's favorite features of the home. So I tell you mine, but let's hear Rich's.
A lot of people are going to notice the obvious. You have an office, you have a first floor master suite, you've got the in-law suite that's available. But what I like is the flexibility of the house. Many people don't realize how their lives change over time. So like you start out, you got maybe a little one or two, and then all of a sudden they're teenagers, and then you have an older parent and all the things that come with life, okay? When you buy a home like this, you have all the flexibility to be able to grow with your life. So let's go in and talk about it. Okay, so let's start here in the foyer. Now, obviously, it's the entrance to the home. It's the first impression everybody gets. But this house was custom designed so that when you are an executive or when you have lots of people coming over to your house, you can set up that drop zone for coats, and you can set up welcoming area to be able to welcome, especially on an executive party, be able to welcome them into this home. Now, let's say that your life evolves. You're not an executive anymore, you're a business owner. If you're a business owner, what do you need? You need an office. And we'll talk about if you have two business owners in the household in just a minute. Now, right off the office is the laundry room. So you're working away, you want to get a few household chores done, it's all convenient, right? So you have the entry zone, that kind of thing, but that's where the family is going to come in. This main foyer area is where your guests are going to come in. The first floor master, that's universal. The universal bedroom is the first floor master suite. That first floor master suite means that you can take care of the family when you're younger, and then when you get older, like me, you don't have to worry about going up and down the steps, okay? Really, really cool feature in any home. It doesn't matter if it's just this home. Now, you want to impress people when you're having a party or you're having a gathering, or even if you're just having family over. You know, you want Uncle Joe to be proud, right? You have a 2-story great room, ceiling features up here that are just off the charts. Big kitchen, of course that's a necessity, okay? Big island so that people can gather around, be comfortable. We've even taken the step in this house to let people choose the appliances that they want to choose. Someone who's buying a house at this level might have a preference for something that wasn't our preference. It's not about us, it's about the person that's buying the house. Now, the dining room obviously comes right off the kitchen, but here's one of my favorite rooms in the house. So this is the first floor guest suite. You've got a bathroom, closet, and obviously a bedroom. Now, that elderly parent, that teenager that's off in college that wants to stay at home while they're going to college. This is a nice little suite for them to stay in, and you have everything right together. Now, downstairs we have something similar, and I'll point it out. Now, let's say that you don't have a situation like that, but you just want a guest suite for someone. Again, first floor, this is universal. So you can have someone that's maybe a little bit more fragile right on the first floor. Now, let's say that there's 2 entrepreneurs in the household. This becomes an office. Very, very convenient office, and you have the office up front for the second person. You're not right on top of each other, so you're not interfering with each other's business, right? Now, let's take a walk on through the house. Let's head downstairs. While we're on that topic of flexibility, we'll head downstairs. So the downstairs area here is most of the time considered for family, right? Now, let's say you're throwing a big party. This becomes the place where the food is, you know, the catering is, so that up in the main area, you can have your interactions without having all the mess of the food laying around, right? Now, 2 rooms over here that are completely flexible. We have the bourbon room. Now, a bourbon room is specifically designed so that the bourbon doesn't spoil. So that's why you have all the dark. You have very specific lighting in this place. If you flip on all the lights, everything in here is designed with white light, but it's all LED. So it makes that bourbon look really good, but it also doesn't degrade the expensive bourbon bottles I'm going to assume you're going to put in here. Now, there's also ventilation in here that constantly moves air, again, keeping everything fresh. If you want to enjoy a glass of bourbon with a cigar, you've got ventilation. Now, flexibility of this room, we actually set up some things that people could do. So let's say that you're a collector of art or Pokemon. I don't care, whatever it is. If you're like Will, you collect old computers, right? Gaming lounge. Close the door, all of a sudden you've got a private place to do your gaming. Meditation, yoga, those kind of things. If you wanted to put a study in there, if you do a lot of reading, imagine closing the door and all of a sudden you've got a great reading area. Okay. If you're like Will and are a YouTuber or you have a podcast, now you have a studio built in. And this room here is the 6th bedroom in this house. Some people need 6 bedrooms. That's great. Some people don't quite need that many. So again, let's say you've got the college kid home. They would love this downstairs area. Or you set it up as an exercise studio like we have. Or you set it up as yet another office. Or craft room, you name it, okay? So my favorite feature of this home is the fact that it's flexible and it can grow with the person that buys it.